Assalamu alaikum. My name is Madhafar Pracha. Uh, Beneficial viruses. I have recently made an illustration on beneficial viruses, and before that, I self-published a book on Amazon related to beneficial viruses. The links to both of these is are available in the description. Here is a little tip that if you want to get the maximum information from this presentation, you may open the illustration and look at that illustration while listening to this presentation. Nevertheless, beneficial viruses are there are different examples of beneficial viruses. These may include herpes virus, cytomegalovirus, retroviruses, bacteriophage, Seneca Valley virus 001, polyhedrosis virus, and pararetrovirus. Among these viruses, herpes virus and cytomegalovirus are beneficial in suppressing HIV infection. The herpes virus in its latent form, that is latent herpes virus, is also useful in working with the natural killer cells in the body. These natural killer cells are important for immune system as they help in killing the virally infected cells and tumor cells found in the bodies of the mammals. Bacteriophages are useful in working against the disease causing bacteria. Moreover, they are also found in the mammalian gastrointestinal tract, where they are useful in modification of the expression of bacterial genes that are involved in the digestion. Retroviruses are useful as they help in modification of genes in the brain, regulation of genes in the brain, and they are also used in research. As for example, they are used in obtaining reverse transcriptase enzymes that are helpful in the transmission of genetic elements. Polyhedrosis virus is useful for plants in the biocontrol of crop pathogens, as for example, bollworms. The pararetroviruses are also useful for plants as they are beneficial in protecting them against disease-causing viruses. And eventually, Seneca Valley virus 001 is interesting as it is helpful in fighting against cancer and causes no toxic effects still, but further studies can be conducted on these viruses. Again, you can find the links to illustration and the book in the description that can be of further help to you. You can also support me on Patreon so that I may keep on publishing such useful information for you. Here is a little summary in German language. Assalamu alaikum, ich bin Usman Zafar Pracha. Dies ist eine Zusammenfassung in deutscher Sprache für nützliche Viren. Zu den nützlichen Viren können Cytomegalovirus, Retrovirus, Bacteriophage, Herpesvirus, Seneca Valley Virus 001, Polyhedrosis Virus und Pararetrovirus gehören. Herpesvirus und Cytomegalovirus unterdrücken die HIV-Infektion. Bakteriophagen schützen vor krankheitsverursachenden Bakterien. Danke.